How to transfer money from USA to Andorra. Now we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States. Now, select the recipient country. In this case, it will be Andorra, like that. So this is it. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example, $1,000. Or any amount that you want to transfer, and now click on get this rate. Now log into your account. Now if you don't see your recipient destination, just click here and tap on Andorra, as you can see, and now click on send money. Now as you can see, this is the amount that you want to transfer, for example $1,000, and now click on continue. Now select the delivery methods, bank deposit or debit cards. And now the recipient debit card if you can. Now if you select the bank deposit, just click on it and now provide or select the recipient bank. In this case it will be at the bank, like that. Now provide the IBAN of your recipient bank, and now provide the recipient name. Now provide the recipient phone. If you don't, just click on skip, and now click on add new card. Now click on continue, and now provide your debit card to be able to transfer the money from, and after that click on next. Now before going to click on transfer money, make sure to double check your credit card info to be able to transfer money, and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Andorra on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.